Namaste, dost. Namaste. Spaghetti. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. What we're going to be focusing on today is putting a Devanagari keyboard on a desktop. This has actually been requested by a couple of friends of mine, fellow Hindi students. Shout out to Donna. And let me first put up the disclaimers. This works on my machine. This works on my computer. It's been working for a long time now. It wasn't hard to put on, but I'm not guaranteeing that this is going to work on your machine. I'm using this on a Dell desktop with Windows 10. That's all I know about it. Anyhow, this is a two-step process. The process is fairly straightforward, but we need two pieces. The first piece is to add a language to Windows. You add Hindi to Windows, and when you do that, you now have English and Hindi both as functioning languages on your computer. If you change the languages, a little toggle switch will appear down on your taskbar, and you can switch back and forth from English to Hindi and Hindi to English, etc., etc. The problem with that is that when you switch to Hindi, your keyboard hasn't changed. It still has English letters on it. So it becomes a nightmare trying to figure out which key goes with which Hindi letters, yada, yada, yada. It's insane. So that leads us to the second phase, step 2, where you create a virtual keyboard. And when you create the on-screen virtual keyboard, then when you toggle, that keyboard toggles with you. If you type in Hindi, you get Hindi. If you type in English, you get English. And it's not particularly hard to do. It'll take us a couple minutes here to set this up. Let me start the screen share and see if I can just bring this up and have everybody doing this. First, let me get out of the way and move some of these things around. Okay, so to start with, you go to the search bar on your taskbar. The search, what is that, magnifying glass thingy? You do that and you type in add a language. Well, when you type in add a language, ta-da, you get this thing here. And you go down here to where it says add a language. When you hit on add a language, it comes up with a list of probably every language you've ever heard of, probably some you've never heard of. And if you just type in Hindi up here, H-I-N-D-I, well, look at that. It came up in Hindi. That's exactly the problem I was talking about. Let's toggle over here to where I have Hindi and English. Go back to English, and I put in Hindi, H-I-N-D-I, and there it is, Hindi. Now, on my screen, mine is grayed out. It's grayed out because I already have Hindi installed. Yours will not be grayed out. You just click on it, go down here and click Next, and then it will install itself on your taskbar. Let me show you what the taskbar looks like then. Here you can see it where it says English, right? E-N-G is what it says, E-N-G. I click on that and I get this option. It says English or Hindi, and I can just go back and forth, highlight whichever one I want and click on it, and that's how you go back and forth between English and Hindi. Now that you have Hindi installed on your computer, let's go create the on-screen keyboard. It's actually almost just the same process. You go up here to the magnifying glass, you click on that, and you type in, or it's already up here for mine, on-screen keyboard. You do that, and bang, there it is, on-screen keyboard. Now, let's go back there for a second, because there's a little step involved there with on-screen keyboard. Well, they're not giving it to us now because I already have it. But when you click on-screen keyboard or type in on-screen keyboard, there'll be a screen on the left that asks you if you want to pin it to your taskbar. Do that, and then you'll have the icon. Here's mine. That's the icon. You can have it on your taskbar. I think I have it on the taskbar too. Yeah, I have it on the taskbar, and I have it on the desktop. So anytime I went to Hindi keyboard, I go there, there's the keyboard, down here to English, switch it over to Hindi, and ta-da! There it is. There it is. I think that's about it, guys. If you have any questions or any concerns or issues that's not, any of this isn't working for you, if I can help you, I will. I mean, just hit me up. I can be contacted through the website Jai Hindi here, or through any of the sessions on Hindi University. Now, if you like this, if you found this helpful, it'd be nice if you would like and subscribe. That would be wonderful. If not, whatever. But enjoy this. I hope this works for you. Let me know in the comments if anything is really out of whack or not working. Anyhow, I'm going to stop the share now, and I'm going to end the video. Dhanyavad log.